Today, let's put together a dust collector. This is a 2 horsepower dust collector from Central Machinery. The box had everything packed together nicely in styrofoam. Under the top layer was the motor, the separator, and the bottom deck. The first step was to put all 4 caster wheels on the bottom deck. All of the wheels do have a locking mechanism to them. Three legs bolt to the bottom deck that hold the separator in place. The motor and fan housing was in one piece. I did have to put a support legs on the bottom of the motor, and that's how it fastened to the bottom deck. An adapter mounted on top of the fan so the hose could hook onto it to be connected to the separator. Next, it's time to fasten the separator onto the legs. One of the legs has an arm that holds the top of the dust collector bag when it's not in use. Then they do have a handle that goes on the side so we can move this around the shop. It came with the perfect size hose to hook between the fan and the separator. This came with a 5-micron bag. Wasn't too hard to stretch it around and put it where it goes. Then it had a strap that went around and held it tight. I like the idea of a plastic bag on the bottom so you can see how full it is. It did come with little fingers built onto it to help hold the bag up while you was putting the strap on it. The fingers was a good idea but not that functionable, so a little bit of painter's tape to hold the bag in place, and that worked just perfect. The last step was to fasten a Y on the motor, and this way you can hook 2 different 4-inch hoses up to it at one time. Short and sweet, that was pretty simple to put together, and I'm ready for the big projects now that produce a lot of sawdust. Thanks for taking the time to check out the video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.